Hi guys, we're at Botanic Gardens today and I'm gonna do a real world test with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we are starting off this journey at the National Orchid Gardens, and I'm joined with the one and only Muzi. You see him in pretty much every single POV video. Alright, let's try the macro mode. Wow, my phone's literally resting on the leaf. You really get all the details, it's so sharp. Nice. Okay, got it. Alright, and here we are at the entrance of the Sembcorp Cool House, which emulates habitats in high elevation montane forests. Alright, let's go. Half a step forward. So there's 1 times, and then it changes to macro. And then you look up. Yeah, like that. Oh, it's the mist. Yeah, the mist is out now. Oh man, we're not on the right spot. That's the right spot. There are people. Okay, you stand there again. Okay, ready and go. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Let me try cinematic mode. So it's portrait mode but in video. Okay, I'll just get you to like... Yep, walk. Okay, walk. Keep to the left side. Yep. Face right. Just stand the light, yeah. Hold on, Get a bit of the colors on the right side. Got leading lines, we got colors, we got light. Looks pretty good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Try the macro shots again. Wow. Okay. Okay, I think we're more or less done with this place. Now we're just heading to probably the Sundial Garden or this place which looked like Jurassic Park. Now we are about 500 meters away from the Sembcorp Cool House, and we are closing in to the Evolution Garden. Looks like a theme park. Alright, that makes sense because Universal Studio has the Jurassic Park. Further back and then face the hole in front of you. Yep. Okay, actually stand on the outside. Yep, here. Alright, we have a very nice bridge over here.
Can we get stay there?
Yes, sir. Alright, this actually looks quite nice. It pays to look backwards every once in a while just in case you find another angle. I'll shoot that later. I'll shoot this one first. Take a step forward. Alright. Okay, can I get you to come here? Wow, this is such a cool place. It really doesn't look like Singapore at all. I'm getting a little bit of Japan vibes from here. Reminds me of the one time I went to shoot the pagoda and we had to walk through some forested area. Looks similar to this. Right, so I'm down here getting my photos taken by Muzi. Okay, we can do some look-up shots here because there are many tall trees and there's like one empty spot in this middle where I'm standing. So much moss. Get him to stop over there. I'm gonna take from this angle so we can see the tall trees. Okay, we just try to fill in the foreground a little. Take a step to your left and walk down a bit. Okay, stop. Alright, might be one of my favorite compositions. Okay. It's a very nice contrast of the rocks and the forested area. Top-down shot might be nice. Here's a cool shot. Alright, so we are done with this final spot. We only took photos at like this area. We didn't bother walking down because we are sort of on a time constraint. Okay, so now we are heading to the Sundial Garden. Hopefully it doesn't rain. We are hearing like thunder. Yeah, it's gonna be like about 1 km walk. Yeah, and we'll see you there. Okay guys, guess what? We're back in the car. Basically what happened is we kind of got lost. The weather was super hot and we somehow accidentally ended up in the car park, so we decided to just scrap our plans and go grab some breakfast. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you a rough idea of how the iPhone performs. Do consider subscribing. If you want to check out more content, I do post regularly on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!